Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. This 2-inch Purdy paintbrush comes in handy for so many different things. We love to use these Purdy brushes for all kinds of paint projects, and this one is no different. The 2-inch size is nice. It is small enough, so if you have a smaller space that you're trying to paint in, it can definitely get in there, but it is also wide enough that it holds a good amount of paint and you're able to get things done quickly and easily. I really like that these are so durable, they're very well made, and they're really comfortable to hold in your hand. This wooden handle is comfortable. It's got a nice little indent here where you put your fingers, so it's easy to hold and handle and have the control that you're looking for when you're painting. So if you're looking for a durable paintbrush that's gonna last a long time, I would definitely recommend this one's from Purdy. It has lasted us for years and is definitely still going strong. So it's a great tool to have, and that's my point of view.